So what am I making today? Look at that. Yeah, I'm making pepper sauce, not pickle, pepper sauce. Now for this, I am using today onions, and I'm using some scallion just cut from my garden, salt, vinegar, a little touch of honey, and a little bit of sugar, maybe a tablespoon, depending on how much. Also, here I have mango that was in the freezer. I had to put it in the freezer. Chocho, and for one of the bottles, I'm gonna put some ginger and carrots. Don't know what you use for yours, but you can post below what you use to make your pepper sauce if you do. Did this before. I still have sauce from 2 years ago. From 2017 we did some, and my son still have some in his fridge. So that's what I'm about today. So I'm gonna see. I have my gloves on. You gotta have gloves on. Gonna start cutting up everything, and we're gonna put them in the blender. And you'll see what I do. Okay. I got to mention garlic. Don't know if I did. So we're also using garlic, scallion, onion. You can use any other things that you want in it, but garlic is a good thing to put in here. I don't have a recipe. It's just gonna be, as I go. You don't need all of these things. You could just put the pepper, vinegar in a container. I mean, that's how I make my large pieces of pepper. But because I'm putting some of the sweet stuff in there to take away some of the harsh taste, because you want to be able to eat it. I'm going to taste it as I go along, because I'm also putting a little honey, Just wanted to not to make it so spicy. Cut down on the spiciness. You don't have to put all of these. If you really want it spicy, don't put no sweet in it. Anyway, I'll continue to blend. So I'm going to put in some vinegar. Okay. And I'm going to start putting in the peppers. I'm going to put everything in. And then I think we're going to have to do this in two, because it's going to be, this container, this mixer, the food processor is not going to hold everything one time. So I'll continue. I've blended everything out, not too fine, like chunks, little pieces, but I blended out, and now I have it in a pot on the fire. And I'm gonna let it heat up to boiling to kill any germs or whatever, and then we're gonna bottle them, okay? And I'll come back to you. Hot. Temperature was up to a little over 200. By the time you turn the stove off, maybe 190. So I used that cup and I filled the jar up. I had put the jar in the microwave until it was so hot I couldn't touch it. So I took a towel and take it out. So now I'm gonna seal it. And if it's not up to temperature, there'll be a little lump in the top. So I'll keep watching it. If it stays flat, then it's okay, and it's gonna be sealed. So I'm gonna do all the bottles. I maybe have 3 bottles out of this, or 4, I'm not sure, and I'll show you them when we're done. But this is what you have to do to cure it. And I did have to add about another 2 tablespoons of salt to this amount. When you seal the bottles, And there's a little bump on top. See this one? This one has a little bump. Can you see the bump? It means it's not sealed. And if you listen, see, it's not ready. So you gotta open it, put it in the microwave. I press 1 and I keep checking. And when the bottle is hot that I can't touch it, I take it out and seal it again. So I'm gonna do that with this one. Everything else is sealed beside this one. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna put it back in the microwave. I have to take off the cover first. Okay, you can't put it in there with the cover. Alright. It's now steaming, so I'm putting back the cover on. Straighten it up the right way. Alright, so I'm taking it up again. And I'll watch this. See, it still has the little bump, but it will go down and make a pop sound once it's totally sealed. Okay? So we'll listen for that pop.